Hi YouTube and welcome to this new video. I'm going to talk about the Advanced Protection Program. Basically, Google have introduced this program, and the idea of this program is to help you make sure your account is secure and to make it harder for anyone who wants to attack your account and hack it, whether that was a hacker group or an organization or even a government, from getting access easily to your account and to your data. So in this video, I'll try to explain to you what do you need and what are the first steps in order to enroll into the Advanced Protection Program. But first of all, before talking about all of these, you just need to be aware about what are the consequences and what are the changes that will happen to your account when you enroll into the Advanced Protection Program. So first of all, you will be forced or you will be limited to using physical keys in order to access your account from new devices and new locations. This is because in order to enroll in the service, you will need 2 security keys. And if you actually lose both of these keys and if you lose access to your account as well, then the only way for you to get access to your account again is by submitting a request to Google and then wait for a few days until they verify your identity and the account that you're trying to recover is your account. Then you will get access again to the account. Now, if you're a G Suite user, then simply your administrator can give you back the access to that account by either disabling the service for you or giving you a temporary access code where you can type it and then you will be able to access the account again and fix the lost security keys issue. One of the consequences as well is when you enroll in this service, you will lose the access to any application that requires access to a high-risk scope, such as the applications that require access to your Gmail or Google Drive and so on. And you will only be able to use Google Chrome or Firefox browsers to access your account. However, the Apple Mail application and the Calendar and Contact application as well will keep working, and Mozilla Thunderbird will keep working as well, and you will be able to access your account as normal with these applications. The reason is because they use OAuth to give you access or to authenticate with Google. They don't use a username and a password, which is for Google, this is considered as a less secure app and method. So now if you're still interested about this after knowing about these consequences, this is how to get into the Advanced Protection Program. So first of all, as mentioned, you will need to have 2 security keys, and it's up to you to get whatever key that you want and you feel fine with. I'm using the Titan security keys, and the reason for that is they are using or they are built on the same chip that is used by Google to secure the hardware inside their data centers. So again, it's up to you whatever you want to use and whatever brand or key that you need to use. Just make sure there are 2 security keys. For Titan, you can buy a bundle that comes with 2 security keys, one with Bluetooth and NFC, the other is the standard or the normal USB key. And this bundle is for $50. You can get it from Google Store or from eBay if you don't want to use Google Store. So once you get those 2 security keys, then it's time to move on to the next step, which is going to this URL, the myaccount.google.com/advanced-protection/landing. You will get this link in the video description, and then you just follow the on-screen instructions to enroll in the service. So I'm clicking next in here. It's asking you to get the security keys. As mentioned, I have my 2 security keys, so this is an option for you. If you just click buy now, it will take you to Amazon and then you can just get this bundle and so on. So I have my keys, so I'll click register security keys. Now I need to log in again to the account to verify it's me. Then after I logged in, it's giving me the security keys registration page, and I have to register 2 keys as mentioned, the primary key and the backup key. So it tells you that Bluetooth key is recommended. It's whatever you like, so I'm just going with my USB key as the main key. So I'm clicking the plus button here, and this one is just telling you to prepare your key. So again, this is just like have your key with you and don't connect it to the computer, yeah, whatever. So I'm clicking next. Now it's asking me to insert the key into the computer and then touch the place where you have to touch it, and then it will automatically detect that. So I'm connecting the key to the computer. Then I am touching the key now, and that's it. So let me just allow this one to pick the key. Then this is the main key, and I'm naming this as the main key. Menu. USB. Then I'm clicking done. Then I have to add the backup key. So since I only have one USB port, I'm removing this one and I'm preparing the other one. So again, I'm pressing the add backup key. Again, prepare the key, but do not connect it to your computer, blah, blah, blah. So next, I now have to connect the key to the computer again. So the key is connected. Now I have to, this one is having a button. So I'm just going to press the button on this. And again, I'm going to allow it to detect the key and all of this. So this one is backup Bluetooth. So the two security keys are done. I'm clicking next. And since I am actually a G Suite user on this account, it tells me that only administrators can recover your account. You might see a little notification or a little different thing here if you are using Gmail, consumer Gmail. And if you are using the consumer Gmail, then be aware that if you lose access to your account again, then you have to submit a request to Google to recover your account. And the other notification that you need to be aware about is the non-Google apps are restricted. It means that, again, for the Gmail users, if you're using consumer Gmail, you lose access to all of the other accounts that are using or that requires access to high-risk scoops. The meaning of a high-risk scoop is the full control scoop in Gmail, the send email, the modify email scoops, and any scoop that modifies your data and get full visibility on your data is considered a high-risk scoop for Gmail. Same goes for Google Drive. The full access scoop and the full view, I think, scoop as well is there. So there are a lot of restrictions as a trade-off for the high level of security that you will get. But if you are fine with this, then you can just click enroll and that's it. So this is a notification that tells you you'll be signed out of all of the devices, including this one, the same one that I'm using. So if I need to sign in back, I'll have to start using the advanced protection program method, which is actually using the password and the security key. So I'm fine. I'm clicking enroll. And then it will sign me out of this. Then now it's time to test it. So I will click sign in. And again, it's asking me to verify it's me. So I'm clicking next. Now I don't care if you see the length of the password on this one because there are security keys. So this is the password. Then I'm clicking next. It will ask me to plug the security key into the system or the computer. So I'm using the primary USB key. So I'm connecting the key now. And I'm touching the key. And that's it. So because I'm using incognito window, this does not make any sense or any changes, but if you like, you can just keep this checked and then click next. Then you will get into the account again. So this is it. This is how to enable and enroll in the advanced protection program on your account. Now, if you want to unenroll for whatever reason, then you go to security. And in security, you will see the status of this advanced protection program as enrolled. So you can click the unenroll button and then you will be unenrolled from this program. So I hope you find this useful. If you have any question or any comment, please put them in the comments section and I'll be very happy to communicate with you. Please also like the video and subscribe. If you want more, please click that little bell button to get the notifications. So thank you very much for watching and I'll see you again in the next video.